Given that 3t plus 1, 4t minus 1, and 6t minus 3 are the second, third, and fourth terms of an AP, find question A, the value of t. For us to find t, we are going to take the fourth term minus the third term. It should be equal to the third term minus the second term, which is equal to the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Take solution. The terms of the AP, we have 3t plus 1, 4t minus 1, and 6t minus 3. We have to find value of t. 6t minus 3. We take the fourth term minus the third term, 4t minus 1. It should be equal to the third term, which is 4t minus 1, minus the second term, which is 3t plus 1. This will give us 6t minus 3. We are going to multiply out through this bracket by negative 1. Negative 1 times 40 gives negative 4t. Negative 1 times negative 1 gives us plus 1 is equal to 4t minus 1. We are going to multiply out through this bracket by negative 1. Negative 1 times 3t gives negative 3t. Negative 1 times 1 gives us negative 1. 6t minus 4t gives us 2t. Negative 3 plus 1 gives us negative 2 is equal to 4t minus 3t gives us t. Negative 1 minus 1 gives us negative 2. We are looking for t. We are going to transfer t to the left hand side. This will give us 2t minus t is equal to negative 2. We are going to transfer negative 2 to the right hand side. Negative 2 plus 2. This will give us 2t minus t gives us t to be equal to negative 2 plus 2, which is 0. Therefore, t is equal to 0. Knowing the value of t, we can write out the terms of this arithmetic progression. The terms will simply be, for the second term, we have 3t plus 1, and this will be equal to 3 times 0 plus 1, which is simply equal to 1. For the third term, we have 4t minus 1, which is simply equal to 4 times 0 minus 1. And this will be equal to 4 times 0 gives 0 minus 1, negative 1. For the fourth term, we have 6t minus 3, and this will be equal to 6 times 0 minus 3. 6 times 0 gives 0 minus 3 gives us negative 3. The terms of this our AP, we have the first term. We are going to denote the first term by A. We have the second term as 1. We have the third term as negative 1, and the fourth term as negative 3. We move now to question B. Question B is asking us to find the first term and the common difference. The common difference D will be equal to the fourth term, which is negative 3, minus the third term, which is negative 1. It should be equal to the third term, negative 1, minus the second term. And this will be equal to negative 3 minus negative 1. Negative becomes positive. Negative 3 plus 1 gives negative 2, which is the same as negative 1 minus 1. The common difference is negative 2. Now we have to find the first term. We take negative 1, which is third term, minus the second term, which is 1, it should be equal to the second term minus the first term, and this should be equal to the common difference d. This would imply that 1 minus a should be equal to d, which is negative 2. Then we have to make a the subject formula. Negative a will be equal to negative 2 minus 1. Then negative a will be equal to negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. For us to get a, we are going to multiply out through by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative a will be equal to negative 1 times negative 3. This will imply that a will be equal to positive 3. Then we conclude, therefore, the first term of the AP is 3 and the common difference is negative 2. We move now to question C. Question C is asking us to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. The sum of the terms of an AP is given by divide n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference. This is the formula. This will imply that making use of this formula, the sum of the first 10 terms will equal to 10 divided by 2 times 2 times a, the first term is 3, plus 10 minus 1 times the common difference, which is negative 2. We have to simplify. This will imply that S10 will be equal to 10 divided by 2 gives us 5 times 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus 10 minus 1 gives us 9. 9 times negative 2 gives us negative 18. This will imply that the sum of the first 10 terms will be equal to 6 plus negative 18 gives us negative 12. So gives us 5 times negative 12, which is simply equal to negative 60. Therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP is negative 60. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.